So this time I will try to use your registered faculties or teachers. So I will try to search from student dashboard. This is your own demo server. So I will try to search Albert Thomas or William Abbott. So or Maria Ford. So I will try Maria Ford. Hold on. William, the William one. So as you can see, it doesn't search the user. Also, it give me the errors here in the right panel. So as you can see, it is correct. William Abbott. So it's supposedly search here, William. So it doesn't show anything, and it has the errors here. So meaning even on your own demo website, it has error. And also upon checking on our own system, so I will add a person here. For example, M15, which is my demo teacher. So as you can see, it can't search that teacher even if it is registered. So there's really a problem on your script.